Landon, what are we doing today? Another one, huh?
Sure. A little spotty.
A little spotty. We're gonna prep our bladder. We've got about a 5-foot spot repair. So we're gonna start putting our 3-inch lining material on, and we'll get it prepped to go and set it up in the clean out. Pressure's on, gauge is set, and there goes our lights. Alright, so we just got our liner in place. We're going to be carrying a 4-foot section. We're about 4 or 5 feet into the pipe right now. So those 2 spots that we saw inside of our camera video, we've got an offset in one of the fittings, and then we've got some type of buildup that was catching all of there and backing up this house. So right now we're going to be covering those spots with our 4-foot section in the 3-inch pipe. So we're in the curing process right now. We got about a half an hour, and then we'll run the camera down and see how it did. Here was our first problem issue. We got that lined, and it's a nice smooth transition now. So nothing's going to catch on those pieces that were built up there. And then as we go down, here was our offset. Got that smoothed out. Nice clean transition through that offset. No roots or any types of intrusions will be able to get into the pipe here.